Hello everyone, welcome here. Java future. So how you are going to start learning a career. So Java, why you need to choose. See here, few of industry experts and why they are choosing Java. These points I'm going to cover here in this particular lecture. So Java is the most popular programming language which is created in 1995 and it's owned by Oracle very recently. And more than 3 billion devices run Java, which is these devices could be computer systems, mobiles and other which are software support services, such as all the devices which are going to be comfortable, compatible. It's a correct keyword, we can say that it's a compatible. And also it is free to use. Why? It's an open source programming language. Anyone can take Java software and build and distribute by creating a softwares, and freely you can distribute it. It's a builds localized and distributed software freely. And it's having huge potential of library. Means the library means which is a ready-made functional program already available in Java. Such a packages and libraries you can directly download and use the functionality and simply add-ons. Like a simple add-ons, you can collect the libraries and add to your project and use it. Such a functionality easily you can add to your program. Such a beautiful things are there now. Let's see what the possibilities are there to develop Java softwares. It's a web applications. Anywhere you may see nowadays it's in a web era. So Windows applications and as well as the web-based applications which can be possibly where the internet facility is available. There you can easily access these web applications. And mobile apps. So creating mobile apps using Java is a high priority. And desktop applications. Yes, in where the system based applications, if you want to make it a more secure application using Java. And also it's as you know that it's a open, a free open source. So you can make it like a desktop applications. And cloud computing environment. Making a cloud computing environment by writing of the Java and a setting of secure environment, you can prepare. Game development. Yes, writing Java, you can prepare ample of games. Stunning graphic games you can prepare with more logic using Java. And that particular games will works in different as I shared 3 billions of devices which are working with the Java. So these games you can deploy easily any other hardwares. Artificial intelligence. Creating an artificial intelligence and cope up adding these artificial intelligence readily available libraries which are built and make you quickly develop your applications. And the ChatGPT nowadays, which is a more trending concept which is making in the day. By adding these intelligence artificial intelligence, you can add and write to apply these all the concepts in Java. Big data and data science. Yes, huge potential is there in big data as well as the data science concepts to making a complex problems to making a simplify by writing a great logic in Java code. Internet of Things. Yes, this is such a small devices where you can make it a big things. These the things are like a simple example of home automations, power generations and testing of small things. And even nowadays the agriculture is also giving a huge potential of these Internet of Things. These are all the devices where you can build small things of Java code and deploy in these devices, such as wireless and Bluetooth devices. These are all the things. And most of the important IoT device, it is a Raspberry Pi, Arduino, such a devices you can build a small package of Java and you can put it to like a deploying. We can say that deploy into that device. Yes, that could be works like an IoT great IoT devices. You can build it using Java. I hope the future, if you are learning a Java from scratch, a step-by-step process, and how to write code easy way, and if you are making a small things to deploying and learning, yes, definitely you are taking a great decision for your future. Thank you. I'll see you in the next lecture.